Hello everyone, my name is Kavita Sharma and we start to reading our book chapter episode. Welcome to episode 16 and now I start to read a Thinking Straight book. I don't know why I'm smiling to looking myself on camera. Camera. I'm watching a She Let Down. I don't pronounce better. Wait a second. She Let Down. Pronounce. Wait a second. Pronunciation. Saladin said. Speak. Sheldon. Sheldon. I'm watching a Sheldon episode where they using going, coming, come in, not coming. No, and when they some words when they use a going, some words say go in. In they specially use after they where I reading where are you going? They say why are you going in? Let's we figure out later. Now let's be reading a chapter, reading a book. Uh, Draw your thought. Episode 16. Let's start. Before we invented language, we communicate and thought in image. But how many centuries world मतलब शब्द word world निकले words have been our premier way to communicate, and that's why we also think in word. When I think and I talk to myself, and when I take note, I also talk to myself. Create a chapter about drawing your thoughts is what I wrote in my notebook. When I come up with the idea for this chapter, I found that fascinating one of the best known thinker of all time, Leonardo da Vinci thought visually. How do I know this? I took a look at his notebook, which you can easily find if you Google them. Here an example. Wait a second, now we show. दिख रहा है शांत तो यहाँ कुछ लिखा भी है उसने कुछ लिख रखा है और पता नहीं अजीब दिखेगा नहीं, लिखा हुआ शब्द दिख नहीं रहे अजीब से. फ्लावर बना है, एक हथौड़ा भी है, पता नहीं क्या क्या है. Now we do not have to become this great at drawing, but I think we can still learning something. Drawing free your mind from the constant why we were verbalization. I पता नहीं क्या है, पढ़ना पड़ेगा बाद में. I start drawing the image for my blog post over a year ago. My drawing skill have not improved, but my article have, and I पता नहीं कहाँ छोड़ा था, एक मिनट. Learn something. Draw free. Draw free. Draw free. Draw free. Draw fees your draw fees. Draw free your mind from the constant by verbalization. Verbalization. Wait a second, verbalization. Actually, something happened. I go to work from my mother say that so that I forget, so that why I restart where I stop it. A video little bit long. Sorry for that. Now, verbalization is shabdik abhivyakt, shabdik verbalization. I start drawing the image from my blog post over a year ago. My drawing skill have not improved, but my article have, and one of the reason is that I take time to think about how I can visual share my idea. I want to readers to immediately immediately emergency ले लो emergency I want to read a hurry. I want to read hurry and get what I try to share in the article by looking at my drawing. That's why I think a lot about a visualization. Sorry, visualizing an idea. Something I draw a paragraph. Something I emphase a sentence or word, and I even make simple cartoon. After I make the drawing I often editing my article to make my idea clear, and something article even start with a drawing. This book also started with a drawing. It's the drawing I used to in the from चाओ सो मुझे भूल गया, मैंने पहले भी पढ़ा था, पता नहीं क्या है। कीओ था शायद, कीओस टू क्लियरिटी चैप्टर हेयर्स इट अगेन, वही। ये दिमाग है जो सोचता रहता है खिच 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 खिच, ये एक डायरेक्ट पॉइंट है, कुछ नहीं सोचता, फिर एक पे फोकस कर दो। आई मेड दैट ड्राइंग विदाउट अ पर्पस, आई वॉज जस्ट विजुअलाइजिंग समथिंग ऑफ माई आइडिया। वन ऑफ माई ideas is that it used to be key chaos in my mind until I found a way to overcome it. As a result, I think clearly that's the whole drawing, and now it's a book. पता नहीं क्या बोला है इसने, वो शायद ये कहना चाहता है कि जो भी थॉट आए उसे ड्राइंग में बना दो, जिससे आपको वो मिलेगा कि आप इमीडिएटली नहीं सोच पाओगे, थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा, रुक कर सोचोगे, सही फैसला लोगे। यही कह रही यार। फिर किसी को ड्राइंग ना आती हो, कहता मुझे भी नहीं आती थी पर मैंने स्टार्ट किया। वो मान लो जिसको बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती, जीरो करना है, वो क्या करे, वो अपने थॉट लिख ले, फिर नहीं कर सकता। वी बी योर सेल्फ, नॉट वट यू शुड। कॉन्क्यूर कॉन्कर कॉन्कर पता शायद कॉन्कर योर सेल्फ रेदर देन द वर्ल्ड। रैन डेस्क्रिएट डी डे क्रिएट डेक्रेट होगा शायद ये। Now I pause for some second. I just read what how to pronounce conquer mean जीतना। Conquer yourself rather than the walls. Ran decrete. Now we read tomorrow. Only if I complete this now, what should I do? Complete it? And so let's go. We complete it. If I completed this book, hurry up when this book finished. What we say in English? In hurry, in jaldi को क्या बोलेंगे? When we when we read book, it complete earlier. I did like to ask you a few questions. What are you good at? What are you bad at it? How do you learn new things? What are you passionate about? What do you like? What do you dislike? In other words, who are you? What's your DNA? I use it mainly over. DNA, sure, biological. We are all more or less than same. We have or organ, bones, bloods, nerves nerves. We also all die. Why is self knowledge important? I never had a clue in all my year in school. No one ever talk about knowledging yourself and why it's matter, but it turn out that a lack of self knowledge is the reason why I made the wrong decision in my life. That the job I had, the girl I dated, the thing I chased, the decision I made, the people I spent time with, I did not match with my strength, value, skill, and desire. My ex girlfriend want to travel the world and I live in different country. I hate that idea. I want to stay close to my family and best friend. I do not feel like I missing out on something if I do not live in other country. Having a home is what make me happy. When you are in a relationship with someone who has a different value, it's a zero sum game. Some some game. One person always loses something. We broke up. I have work in boring room, selling foolish product to people who did not need them. Why did I have a job that made me feel bad about myself? I do not know. My best guess is that I wanted the money. I thought that's why what you do, but I did not know myself. Today I know myself better than I did 10 years ago, and in 10 years from now I I ill knowledge myself better than I do today. Knowledging yourself is a step one. Step two is acting on the knowledge. Sometime opportunity come my way and I feel like saying yes too quickly. But I have to make a step back and ask myself, is this really me? Very often the answer is no. I have found the most things in life are not for me. Most job opportunity, country, people, parties, lifestyle, book, they are all not for me. It about finding the thing that are for me. Believe it or not, that a very small listen. Now finish our book. Bye. Make a tomorrow video.